how to fix Xbox Game Pass sharing not working. There's a few things you can do, but they're pretty much all similar. One thing is to make whichever Xbox account as the home or the home Xbox and then restart both devices if that is available for you. But another thing you can do is to just turn off your recurring billing. Now you can do this inside your Xbox console or the Xbox app or your Microsoft account. Just make sure you're turning this off. In your Xbox app, you can go ahead to your account, go to your subscriptions, and you can manage your Game Pass right there by pressing manage. It should just bring you to your Microsoft account or to wherever you can manage your subscription. You can also do it in your Microsoft account. Just go ahead to your main screen. You'll be able to see the subscriptions you have. But if that's not the case, you can go to services and subscriptions, and there you can find your Game Pass. Press on manage and then just turn off your recurring billing. You could cancel subscription if you like, but this pretty much works itself. A lot of people that has done this process said that this does work as well. Just go ahead and press on that. And if you go for the cancel subscription, scroll down, press on cancel subscription, and then it's gonna look something like this. But those are a few options you have if the Game Pass sharing isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.